How to free up disk space in Windows automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can free up disk space in your Android automatically. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. And without any further ado, let's begin. So first step is open up your settings. So search for settings and then open it up. After you've opened up your settings, you will need to go to your system. On your system, search for storage, then open this up. And on storage, you'll find multiple options. So head over to storage management section and you'll see an option that says storage sense. All you have to do is enable this. So head over to storage space first. Now, what storage space does is that when your disk space is low, they will clean up enough space to help your system run at its best. What this will do is this will remove any unused content from your devices. What this does is that this removes any unused contents from your device, including your cloud-backed content on your device, and this will help your device run smoothly by creating and maintaining enough space required for your system. So yeah, just do that, and you can also configure your cleanup schedule. So you can tap on this. You can choose how much you want it to do, how much scans it want. You can do it for every month, every week, every day, or just when your disk space is low. And yeah, that's how you clean up your disk space automatically. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.